I started my business 15 years ago, and we've come a long way since then. We manufacture chocolate and sell to some of the biggest names in UK retail as well as overseas. We opened in a single shop and there were just 3 of us. Today we have a 10,000 square feet facility, including manufacturing, distribution, sales, marketing accounts, you name it. Business is good. And like our cocoa beans, we've grown organically, although that has brought its own problems, like finding the right systems to run our business and making them all work together. As our business has grown, so has our headcount, and we now have over 100 staff working across all departments. And whether it's order management for our customers or shipping data and distribution, the amount of data in this place is crazy. Well, that was us 18 months ago. Thankfully, since then, we've implemented a solution from HULFT and it's met all of these competing data demands, including integration, automation, transfer, extraction, and conversion. The software is already used by over 10,000 companies around the world, so they already knew exactly what we needed. They made integrating to my systems quick and easy, and for others, like my guys in South America, they were able to connect all necessary data and put it into the right format. As a result, we're more efficient as a business, headcount is more strategic, and as the business owner, I have far better visibility across the entire operation. This has worked for me. See what HULFT can do for you.